Borobudur is one of the world's largest Buddhist temples, located near Yogyakarta in central Java, Indonesia. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the 3 great Buddhist sites of the world, alongside Angkor Wat in Cambodia and Bagan in Myanmar. Built between the 8th and 9th centuries by the Shailendra dynasty, a Buddhist dynasty that ruled Java at the time. Between the 10th and 15th centuries, it was buried under volcanic ash from volcanic eruptions and forgotten due to the rise of Islam, remaining dormant in the jungle for a long time. It was rediscovered in 1814 by Stamford Raffles, a British envoy who ruled Java at the time, also famous as the founder of Singapore. The base platform realm of Desire Kamadhatu, a world swirling with human desire. Though once hidden, it contains reliefs depicting karmic retribution. The square platform realm of form Arupadhatu, a world with form but transcending desire. The walls are adorned with approximately 2,700 intricate reliefs carvings spanning about 5 kilometers, depicting the life and teachings of Buddha. The circular platform realm of formlessness Arupadhatu, a world of enlightenment transcending even form. Near the top, 72 bell-shaped Stupas Buddhist pagodas are lined up, and through the gaps, one can glimpse the Buddha statues enshrined within. The entire structure is a 9-tiered step pyramid, representing the 3 realms of the Buddhist worldview. To protect the ruins and prevent over-tourism, a special ticket is required to access the upper levels of the ruins. We recommend booking a ticket with priority entry. To access the upper levels, you must wear special footwear to protect the ruins. This is included in the ticket price, and you can take it home with you. You will go in small groups with a guide. Wait here until your group number is called. Guide's greeting. The language is English. The guide will be holding a flag with the number you're called, so that's your landmark. Horse-drawn carriages are also running. However, I didn't know how to use it. Where can I book a ride on this? It's getting closer and closer, and I'm getting excited. You will need to have your ticket checked again here to enter the upper floors. Many people from both within and outside Indonesia visit this place. We climbed up, listening to explanations at key points along the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you remember the unfinished statue there? The lion unfinished statue. Yeah, that's the effect, because before they discovered in 1814, this temple is abandoned. The new stone always have white dot in the middle. The new stone, but this temple no. That's why we call the Borobudur Temple. The name of the Borobudur consists of the Borobudur Temple always dry.
The newly restored areas do not have reliefs.
If the hill is wet, the temple can be collapsed. Twin door there, like a T.
Steep stairs. If you fall behind even a little, you'll get separated from your guide.
See so many hand position, Buddha statue in the Borobudur Temple is no head.
We're only halfway up the mountain, but the view is amazing.
If complete when the master
These reliefs are stone textbooks that visually convey Buddhist teachings.
reading by a lovely horse.
Each level depicts a different story from the scriptures. Lalita Vistara Universal Sutra, Jataka Original Jataka Tales, Avadana Parable Tales, Dandavyuha chapter on entering the realm of reality. The site is designed to be viewed while walking clockwise, a practice known in Buddhist terminology as right-facing circumnavigation, pradaksina, where one always keeps the ruins on their right side as a sign of respect. But the guides are also going counterclockwise, right? The most striking feature of these reliefs is that, although the story is set in India, the landscapes and details depicted are those of Java itself at that time. Then, after passing through the square platform and reaching the circular platform, a world of nothingness unfolds before you, devoid of any reliefs. Experiencing this transition from a world with narratives formed to a world of enlightenment formlessness is the true essence of Borobudur. After ascending through the world of stories, you finally reach the uppermost circular platform, the formless realm Arupadhatu. This is the climax of Borobudur Temple and symbolizes the ultimate state of being that Buddhism strives for. The circular platform consists of 3 tiers of circular terraces, with a total of 72 bell-shaped stupas, Buddhist pagodas arranged in a regular pattern. At the very center, in the highest point, stands a large stupa with a diameter of approximately 16 meters. Amazingly, its interior is completely empty. How was it? I was more overwhelmed than I imagined, and it was many times more impressive than the pictures suggest. I feel it's definitely worth visiting at least once. Although I couldn't do it this time, I would love to visit again during sunrise to experience the ruins bathed in the morning light and the space filled with mist and silence. This was a guide to Borobudur, a World Heritage Site in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. If you could like this video or subscribe to my channel, it would be a great encouragement for me to continue editing, and I would be overjoyed. Thank you for watching until the end.